Record lows coming in on the Indian rupee. We have seen rupee hitting fresh record lows in today's trade, going past the 71.03 levels that we did see rupee hitting on Friday. In fact, rupee is now down nearly around 10% YTD. Yes, of course, it remains the worst performing Asian currencies. But if you look at rupee in the past 5 years, rupee has, of course, definitely outperformed the other Asian peers. Having said that, if you look at the entire rupee trade today, rupee did have a positive bias in the opening trade as Cuban GDP did beat expectations. That was some support to the rupee, but globally we have seen Asian stocks coming under pressure. EM currencies have been under pressure in today's trade, and also the dollar index is back to the 95 to the US dollar level. Dollar demand from importers did continue throughout the end of August as well. All these factors have of course led to pressure coming in on the Indian rupee. In fact, there's a likelihood that this kind of volatility does continue in terms of the Indian rupee, if at all what's happening globally, especially in terms of trade wars, pressure on the EM currencies continue. It may lead to further volatility on the Indian rupee front. SBI is pointing out that there is a case that RBI goes ahead and hikes rate much ahead of expectations as a defense to the Indian rupee. We need to be mindful of that. And Bank of America Merrill Lynch says that maybe RBI should be using NRI bonds. So these are the kind of measures that RBI may take over the medium to long term, if at all the rupee rout does continue. But as of now, yes, the depreciating bias may continue on the rupee front in the very near term.